Hi students, I would like to highlight the applicability of changes which are made in Schedule 3 as per Companies Act. If you see this particular sheet, Institute has prescribed saying that whatever Companies Act changes till 31st October 2022 will apply for May 2023 examinations. Of course, there are various changes, but I feel Schedule 3 changes where these were issued 24th March 2021 will have more impact in May 2023 examination because drastical changes have been made in this notification. Take it from disclosing of rupees, say up to 100 crores, the disclosure should be in hundreds, thousands, lakhs, like that. If the turnover is more than 100 crores, then it is from lakhs, millions, like that, crores. Okay, so it is good to have a glance on these changes because there are chances that you may be asked to prepare financials from a trial balance with notes. Then you should consider these changes. If you see, I will just run through it. I will run through very few points because there are huge changes in this notification. Say promoter movement of promoters shares, okay, aging of trade payable, even in that MSME, non-MSME, okay, again under MSME it is others and disputed, same in non-MSME. If the due date is not for payment is not mentioned, that date of transaction to be considered. Okay, tangible assets has been renamed to property, plant and equipment. Okay, then uh, aging of trade receivables. Here the aging is up to 6 months, 6 months to 1 year. But if you see in trade payable, it is 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, and here the disclosure is undisputed considered good, undisputed considered doubtful, undisputed trade considered good, and disputed considered doubtful. Okay, disputed and undisputed. Again, here they have mentioned date of payment is not, then date of transaction to be taken. Okay. Further ratios, title deeds of the assets, and disclosure of various ratios, loans given to the promoters. See, I'm just highlighting whatever comes to on the screen a point. Okay, I will not be able to go in detail, and you also don't have time to read to listen my lecture right now. Okay, and aging of capital work in progress, and in if you see overrun of cost, and you have to give separate sheet where there is a overrun of cost or overrun of the period. Okay, that also you have to highlight in case of capital work in progress. Fine, and coming to further changes, CSR disclosure also there is a change. And coming to other changes, because this CSR point has come, if you see Harghar Tiranga, there was one notification whether it will be considered, it can be considered CSR activity or not. I don't know whether they will ask that question in accounts paper. They may ask in corporate law also. Okay, and now instead of revenue, it has to be income. Okay, so this is another major change. In case of Section 8 companies, grants or donations received has to be shown separately. Okay, here is the CSR CSR. Like this, many changes, statement of changes in equity. So, just I will say, have a glance at it, at least a few points which I have highlighted. So, there are chances that these may be asked in your upcoming May 2023 examination. It may be for intermediate or final also. Final they may go ask little more in depth, and inter they may touch upon it. So even 5-10 marks makes a difference, you know. Okay. Hope if you have any doubts in specific, you can put it in comments box. I will revert. Thank you. All the best.